Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my DreamView channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Hitachi 586 liters frost-free side-by-side inverter technology star refrigerator. First we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 586 liters, good for large families. Compressor type inverter compressor, consumes low electricity in comparison to a normal compressor. Defrosting type frost free auto fridge defrost to stop ice buildup. Specifications: generally in the box we get refrigerator unit, user manual and warranty card. Series: big French series. Type side by side. Defrosting type frost free. Refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator. Capacity 586 liters. Number of doors 4. Number of refrigerator shelves 3. Coming to the warranty, 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor from Hitachi. Cost price 83,999 rupees only. To order this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my DreamView channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.